Embark on a journey through Europe for a tapestry of rich cultures, historic wonders, and breathtaking landscapes. From the romantic allure of Paris to the ancient streets of Rome, Europe promises a diverse adventure at every turn. Europe, with its seamless blend of tradition and modernity, invites every traveler to uncover the essence of wanderlust. Here's a brief description of 25 beautiful places to visit in Europe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to our YouTube channel of World to join us on future adventures. Number 1. Santorini, Greece. Santorini, an Aegean gem, boasts iconic whitewashed buildings against the azure sea. Sunsets over the caldera are legendary, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. Explore charming villages like Oae, known for narrow streets and stunning viewpoints. Relax on unique black sand beaches and savor delicious Greek cuisine. Number 2. Cinque Terre, Italy. Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, enchants with vibrant, cliffside villages. Hike the scenic coastal trails, offering breathtaking views of the Ligurian Sea. Indulge in fresh seafood and local wines in quaint, colorful harborside restaurants. Capture the charm of Manrola, Vernazza, and Monterosso in every frame. Number 3. Hallstatt, Austria. Nestled by a pristine lake and surrounded by the Dachstein Alps, Hallstatt is a postcard-perfect village. Stroll through cobblestone streets, lined with charming pastel-colored houses. Visit the Hallstatt salt mine for a glimpse into the town's rich history. Take a boat ride on Lake Hallstatt for stunning views of the alpine landscape. Number 4. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Croatia's Plitvice Lakes National Park is a mesmerizing network of waterfalls and lakes. Wooden boardwalks guide you through lush forests, offering views of crystal-clear turquoise waters. The sound of cascading water accompanies you on a journey through this natural wonderland. Wildlife and diverse flora add to the park's allure, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Number 5. The Amalfi Coast, Italy. The Amalfi Coast captivates with its dramatic cliffs, charming towns, and lemon-scented air. Positano, with its colorful houses, is a symbol of coastal elegance and luxury. Drive along the winding Amalfi Drive for panoramic views of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Indulge in authentic Italian cuisine and enjoy the Mediterranean sun on scenic beaches. Number 6. The Swiss Alps, Switzerland. The Swiss Alps, a majestic playground for nature enthusiasts, offer stunning vistas and outdoor adventures. Ski in winter or hike in summer, surrounded by breathtaking mountain peaks. Charming alpine villages like Zermatt and Grindelwald provide a cozy retreat. Ride the Glacier Express for a scenic train journey through the heart of the Alps. Number 7. The Northern Lights in Lapland, Finland. In the winter wonderland of Lapland, the Northern Lights dance across the Arctic sky. Stay in glass igloos for a chance to witness this natural spectacle from the comfort of your bed. Embrace the magical atmosphere of Santa Claus Village and enjoy winter activities like dog sledding. Lapland is a unique destination for those seeking the beauty of the Arctic Circle. Number 8. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic, is a well-preserved medieval city with ancient city walls. Walk along the historic Stradon, visit Fort Lavrigenac, and explore the charming old town. Admire the views from the city walls, showcasing the terracotta roofs against the blue Adriatic Sea. Dubrovnik's rich history and stunning architecture make it a must-visit destination. Number 9. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona is a vibrant city renowned for its unique architecture, including Gaudi's Sagrada Familia. Stroll down La Rambla, visit the Gothic Quarter, and indulge in tapas at bustling markets. Art Gel offers whimsical designs and panoramic views of the city. Barcelona's lively atmosphere, cultural richness, and artistic flair captivate visitors. Number 10. The Norwegian Fjords, Norway. Norway's fjords, with their sheer cliffs and deep blue waters, create a dramatic and awe-inspiring landscape. Sail through the iconic Jord, surrounded by waterfalls and lush greenery. Explore the charming village of Flam and take the scenic Flam Railway for breathtaking views. Hike or kayak to fully immerse yourself in the serene beauty of Norway's natural wonders. Number 11. Prague, Czech Republic. Prague, the city of 100 spires, mesmerizes with its fairy tale-like old town square. Visit Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, and the astronomical clock. Stroll along the Vltava River and enjoy panoramic views of the city. Prague's rich history and architectural beauty create a magical atmosphere. Number 12. The Scottish Highlands, Scotland. The Scottish Highlands offer a rugged and picturesque landscape, dotted with ancient castles. Drive through Glencoe, a valley of breathtaking beauty and historic significance. Hike to the summit of Ben Nevis, the highest peak in the British Isles. Loch Ness, with its deep, mysterious waters, adds an element of intrigue to the highlands. Number 13. Budapest, Hungary. Budapest, straddling the Danube River, is known for its thermal baths and stunning architecture. Explore Buda Castle, Fisherman's Bastion, and the Hungarian Parliament building. Relax in the famous Széchenyi thermal bath and cruise the Danube for a unique perspective. Budapest's blend of history and modernity makes it a captivating destination. Number 14. The French Riviera, France. The French Riviera, synonymous with glamour, features pristine beaches and charming coastal towns. Nice offers a stunning promenade des Anglais and vibrant markets. Stroll through the artistic village of Saint-Paul-de-Vence and visit glamorous Cannes. The azure waters and luxury resorts make the French Riviera a playground for the elite. Number 15. The Ring of Kerry, Ireland. The Ring of Kerry, a scenic drive through Ireland's southwest, unveils breathtaking landscapes. Visit Killarney National Park, Muckross House, and the Torque Waterfall. Take in the panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean and the Skellig Islands. The charming villages along the route add to the allure of this picturesque journey. Number 16. Porto, Portugal. Porto, along the Douro River, is known for its historic architecture and port wine cellars. Cross the iconic Dame Louise I Bridge for panoramic views of the city. Explore the Ribeira district's narrow streets and visit Livraria Lelo, a stunning bookstore. Porto's blend of culture, history, and wine makes it a captivating destination. Number 17. The Blue Lagoon, Iceland. Iceland's Blue Lagoon is a geothermal spa surrounded by lava fields, offering a surreal experience. Relax in the milky blue, mineral-rich waters amidst the otherworldly volcanic landscape. Surrounded by steam and rugged terrain, the Blue Lagoon provides a truly unique and rejuvenating escape. Indulge in silica mud masks for a spa-like experience while taking in the surrounding natural beauty. Visit during the evening to witness the lagoon under the enchanting glow of the northern lights. Number 18. Lake Bled, Slovenia. Lake Bled, nestled in the Julian Alps, is adorned with a fairy tale island and a medieval castle. Row a traditional Pletna boat to Bled Island and climb the iconic Church of the Assumption. Stroll along the lake's promenade, framed by the backdrop of snow-capped mountains. Bled Castle offers panoramic views of the lake, making it a must-visit destination in Slovenia. Number 19. Edinburgh, Scotland. Edinburgh, Scotland's capital, is a city steeped in history and crowned by the iconic Edinburgh Castle. wander through the charming cobblestone streets of the Royal Mile in the Old Town. Hike Arthur's Seat for panoramic views or explore the fascinating exhibits at the National Museum of Scotland. During the Edinburgh Festival, the city comes alive with arts, culture, and lively performances. Number 20, Rothenburg ob der Tauber, Germany. Rothenburg ob der Tauber is a beautifully preserved medieval town frozen in time. Stroll through the charming marketplace, surrounded by colorful half-timbered houses. Visit the Medieval Criminal Museum and climb the Town Hall Tower for panoramic views. Experience the magic of the town's Christmas market, making it a festive winter destination. Number 21, Interlaken, Switzerland. Interlaken, nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Breens, is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Surrounded by the Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau mountains, the scenery is simply breathtaking. Indulge in adventure sports like paragliding or take a scenic boat cruise on the turquoise lakes. The charming town offers a perfect base for exploring the Bernese Oberland region. Number 22, Bariloche, Argentina. Bariloche, located in the Argentine Andes, is often referred to as the Switzerland of Argentina. Surrounded by stunning lakes and snow-capped peaks, it's a heaven for nature lovers. Enjoy panoramic views from Cerro Campanario and indulge in exquisite chocolate, a local specialty. Explore the Nahuel Huapi National Park for pristine landscapes and outdoor adventures. Number 23, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Amsterdam is a city of picturesque canals, historic architecture, and a vibrant cultural scene. Cruise the iconic canals, passing by charming houseboats and traditional Dutch buildings. Visit the Anne Frank House, Rijksmuseum, and the famous Van Gogh Museum. Explore the lively neighborhoods of Jordan and De Peachpe for a taste of local Amsterdam life. Number 24, Meteora, Greece. Meteora is a unique rock formation with monasteries perched on top, creating a surreal landscape. Visit the monasteries, each with its own fascinating history and breathtaking views. Hike through the rock pillars to fully appreciate the natural beauty and serenity of the area. Capture the stunning sunset over Meteora for a truly magical experience. Number 25, the Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. The Cliffs of Moher, standing tall along the Atlantic coast, offer some of Ireland's most dramatic scenery. Walk along the cliff edge for awe-inspiring views of the crashing waves and the Aran Islands. Visit the Visitor Center for interactive exhibits on the natural and cultural significance of the cliffs. Witness the cliffs at sunset, when the golden light bathes the rugged landscape in a warm glow. Each of these European destinations has its own unique charm and beauty, making them perfect subjects for a captivating travel video. If you've been to any of these places or have a favorite Europe destination, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels!